In this video, I'm going to share with you the 4 easiest AI side hustles for busy people. Hustles that can make you plus $500 easily every single day with zero investment and just 1 hour daily. I know you've spent hours searching YouTube for ways to make money, but with no results because most of them are just trying to sell you a course. That's exactly why I made this video. I have nothing to sell, just pure value. And the best part, you won't just focus on one side hustle. You'll do all 4 because AI will handle everything and you'll just manage the process. Oh, and the last one, it feels kinda illegal. So let's start with the first side hustle. It's selling travel itinerary planners for tourists. Basically, it's a planner where tourists can see the best places to visit in a specific area, all in one document. Let's take an example. Pick a place that's going to get millions of visitors next year. One of those places is New Jersey, because they're hosting the World Cup finals. So obviously, a lot of people will be going there. Now, if you search for a 30-day travel itinerary for New Jersey, you'll find almost nothing. And that's crazy, because other planners with less popular locations are making a ton of sales and getting great reviews. So this is a low competition, high demand opportunity. How do you start? First, ask ChatGPT to give you the best places to visit in a specific country. For example, the USA. By the way, the most visited country in the world is France. So don't just stick to the USA. There are over 195 countries out there. Next, go to the PDF I've linked in the description and grab the first prompt. Paste it into ChatGPT, type in your chosen city, and let it generate a 30-day travel itinerary. Always go for 30 days because that's the most common length for travel plans. Now go back to the PDF and you'll find a Canva link to a ready-to-use template. On the first page, edit the city name and the image. The second page is for week 1. Just copy the info from ChatGPT and replace the text. Do the same for week 2, 3, and 4. Just like that, you've got something nobody else is selling right now. Your next step is creating your store on Etsy. You can generate a logo with Leonardo AI and find a creative name using Namelicks. Then post your planner and sit back while the sales start rolling in. Do this in a bunch of big cities and just watch. It's gonna be crazy. The second side hustle is selling AI-generated children's audiobooks. This is one of the best ways to create passive income. Let's look at how much people are already making with this. This one is making $13 to $21 a day, and this other one $39 to $62 every single day, just from one audiobook. So, how do you start? First, you need title ideas. Use the prompt I've given to generate 10 titles for children's bedtime stories. Now pick one title and paste it into the second prompt. This will generate a full story for you. Then go to 11 Labs to turn your story into audio. Click on Voices, then go to the voice library. Choose a storytelling voice. Try filtering by young voices to get that perfect bedtime feel. Once you find one you like this one, add it. Then go to Studio and click Create an Audiobook. Upload your story script, select the voice you chose, click Create, then Export. That's it. You've got your audiobook with your own copyright and usage rights. Next, you'll need a cool cover. Go back to ChatGPT and ask it to generate a prompt for the cover design. Take that prompt to Leonardo AI and create a beautiful, eye-catching cover. This is super important because the cover is the first thing people see when browsing. Now it's time to upload and start selling. You have 2 main options. If you're in one of these supported countries, upload your audiobook on ACX. If not, go to Findaway Voices. They work almost the same and give you access to massive traffic. Once your account is set up, upload your audiobook and wait for the passive income to roll in. Try to upload as many audiobooks as you can to maximize your earnings. The third side hustle is AI-powered photo restoration and upscaling. For example, this image turns into this and that one into this, even this old photo transformed into this. Now the big question, is anyone actually paying for this? Let's check how much people are making. This person made over $100,000, and here's another one who made over $200,000. So yeah, people are definitely paying for this. Now, to start this business, most people go straight to Fiverr. Sure, they're making money, but there's also a lot of competition in image editing. So instead, we're going to use Upwork, one of the best platforms to find clients without all that noise. First, go create your account. Select "I'm a freelancer looking for work." Fill in your basic info and answer a few questions. To show your skills, you can either connect your LinkedIn or just fill them out manually. Take your time setting everything up properly. By the way, make sure to add skills like image editing and design. This helps clients trust you. Once your account is ready, go to the Find Work section and search using keywords like image editing or upscale. From here, you can see when jobs were posted, so you'll know which ones are fresh. Just apply to the new ones and wait for them to reach out and discuss pricing. Now, how do you actually edit like those examples? For upscaling, I use a Telegram bot. Just upload the image, choose your desired resolution, like 4K, and wait a few seconds. It's done. For coloring, I use ChatGPT. Upload the image, ask it to color or enhance it, and that's it. ChatGPT gives you a free trial. If it runs out, just wait a bit or make a new account. Don't stop at just one job. You can search for other offers related to photo editing and use the same tools to complete them. Simple, fast, and profitable. For the fourth side hustle, and the one that feels a little illegal, it's AI-generated faceless YouTube shorts. Specifically, the what if storytelling videos. These are some of the most viewed videos on YouTube Shorts because people love hearing crazy scenarios and twists like, what if this happened? Let's first look at the kind of video we're talking about.
What if you could jump into the ocean and stay there as long as you want without ever needing to come up for air? You wouldn't need any breathing tanks or diving gear at all. We could build cities under the sea, explore sunken ships without any equipment, and even create underwater farms and schools. Imagine going to school at the bottom of the ocean, with sea turtles swimming past the windows, and coral gardens outside the classroom. But to make that possible, our bodies would need to evolve in some crazy ways. We'd need to develop gills or a new way to absorb oxygen from water.
So, step 1. Set up your YouTube channel. Create a logo, name, and a banner. For your bio and tags, you can just ask ChatGPT. It'll help you fill everything in. Now let's jump straight into creating your shorts. Go to the PDF and pick the prompt that gives you 10 video title ideas. Take one of those titles and paste it into the second prompt. This one will generate a full script around 1,000 characters, perfect for a 1-minute short. Now copy that script and go to a site called Fabler. It gives you 10 credits, which means you can create 2 videos for free. Click Create, then choose a duration. For the category, I recommend picking Psychology Facts. It matches the style of the What If videos well. Paste your script from ChatGPT, then for art style, select Photorealistic. Orientation, choose Portrait. Then select a male voice, language as English, and choose a font for captions. Click Create Series and wait a few seconds. Here's the crazy part. This tool gives you everything. Title, description, tags, all done for you. You can see from here that it's a new AI tool, so use it now before they make it fully paid. Let's preview our video.
What if you were the only human left on Earth? You wake up.
Looks amazing. To make it even more professional, drop the video into any editing app like CapCut. Zoom in a little to remove the watermark and add this background music called Scary Atmosphere